Hello my people, so welcome to my YouTube channel. If not your first time to my YouTube channel, I would like to click the subscribe button and the little bell icon at the side, so at any time I drop new video for new topic, and I will get notification. And so una fit dey take dey follow my topic one after the other until una become professional inside programming. The next topic I get to treat today now if-else statement. I know so many of you don't dey expect make I explain the if-else statements only for programming language. Now we could dive into our code. Wetin I explained last night with one way make they use the right string of code make they call template literal. I hope you will understand that. If you don't understand that, I could like make you go back to my last video so I will feel understand template literal well. What I go do now is say I go come out this line of code. Just say I want to show now what you call if-else statements. Now, if-else statements now one kind of program structure. Now what they mean for program structure? I tell you before, say our computer they read our code from up to down. But if we want to manipulate the structure the way they use the read code, if we want to tamper with them, now we they use program structure. And the program structures then we get if-else statement, we get for loop, we get switch case for programming language, we get do while, and so many other. I could teach you now one after the other, but the one make I want to teach you now today now if-else statements. Now if you check look our code well, we say count okay she put birthday Nikki in 1992. We will come find age. We to say 2025 when we did so minus the year when they born Nikki Shuku. Now we'll set another variable. The other variable name the first name and last name, and I use capital letter as a sign of respect for my friend Ikeshu. Before I proceed, I want to let you know something. I could say if I want to tell now waiting if they do and else they do. These statements I could check whether something are true. If something did be true, help me do this thing. If not true, help me do this thing. If not true, help me do this thing. I want to make that statement today ring from my head. If not true, help me do this thing. Why else? The work me else they do now. If not false. If not false, help me. If not false, help me do this thing. I hope so they understand. So I make it simple for una, so una go there. If una the code, una go they understand wetin una they do. So if you want tell your computer me check whether something are true, me if not true, me help you do something. Now you would use if and else. Now anytime you don't use if statement, you can't tell say if not lie, if not false, do this. If not true, do this. Else, and it's not false with that. I do this. And the comic I dive into our code, make I show you an example. So it no go be like say I just did fumble for a year. I want to say count. What thing I want to do now is say I want to check whether my friend Ikeshuku they would enough to buy a car. You get. I can say is I create a variable. If you name your variable anything. So me I want to name my variable. I don't think name. So I don't want to name my variable now. It's old enough. I really want to name my variable that. Everything suits me to name my variable. I can't say equal to. I can't say age, which is this age mean there. Age, either the age is greater or equal to 30. I want just assume say as for 30 you're supposed to don't get car. But all of us know how Nigeria be. Even 55 never get car. To get car, by God's grace. Now, I remember when I tell you, I say, anytime we use comparison operator like greater than, less than, or greater than equal to, the result they always give us now either true or false. Now, if we look this age very well, we see say Ikechukwu in 1992 and within 2025. So this one are true because Ikechukwu is greater than 30. So Ikechukwu age they greater than 30. Now true. So wetin will happen be say this thing now go save this expression now go save true inside. We go save this Boolean expression which is true inside our variable. Now if we can talk say if it's old enough. Now if Ikechukwu dey old enough, wetin make we want make our computer do something. Wetin make we tell our computer like this? I go open something wey they call curly brace. Now I go talk say make I print this thing to console. Me I dey think of statement make I wan use for my friend now. Okay, me I go say my friend my brother, I no get time to dey use this kind thing make I go dey put 100 concatenation. So I wan use my template with I wan make that template with a master owner. My friend, what open curly brace. Wetin be your friend first name? Open another this space. Another dollar sign, open curly brace. Last name. So my brothers and sisters, what I don't do now, I don't write my friend Okafor Ikechukwu is old enough to buy a car, but he is too broke to purchase one at the moment. I say money will still enter my friend that. Okay. Make we come go check our console whether e go display this thing. Now wetin we tell our console now be say if this place na true, we can do this. Make we sharply go check our console, wetin our console go give us. Now our console give us, my friend Ikechukwu is old enough to buy a car, but he is too broke to purchase one at the moment. Computer. I no just like the way computer dey cast my friend Ikechukwu and me. Now I wan tell una, like I tell una before, say else. Now else mean say if na lie, do my own. So you dey get. If means if na true, do my own. Why else means if na lie. If no be true, do my own. Do this one. Now I wan use else statement for there. At least it dey write down. Now anytime when you do true, when you check for if, you come open this bracket, this curly bracket. You go write anything you want to do for here. Now if you want use else, immediately after the bracket, may you close for if. Now you did the add else. So if you add else, if you do so many things for else too, the same way if you do for if. So now me, I want check, I want to say if now, say big person. If you say you never restart it, if you say you truly never restart it, make I tell my computer say. I want to check for the many age may remain for Ikechukwu. I want to check the many age may remain. May Ikechukwu go use complete. I don't know whether they follow me. The many age make it remain, so that it may remain for Ikechukwu. For Ikechukwu to fit buy motor, in case Ikechukwu never reach to buy motor. I hope you gonna get me now. I fit talk say I fit say count years left equals to that will be 30 minus my friend age. So I go go reduce my friend age because I want to show you how else they work. I want to display something for my console. When I see how programming is sweet. Programming no address the way people they tell you and say it hard. My friend, first name, space, last name. My friend is Ikechukwu is anytime I use template literal, it dey sweet me for body. It dey save me stress. It dey save me a lot of stress. we have wetin I want to do now be say I want reduce my friend age to the year 2000. When I see where I go reduce am for where I declare variable, if I go open another variable here come go reduce am, e go give me error. Na wetin make me go reduce am for where I declare my variable. Now make una dey look. Count Ikechukwu birthday is 2000. It's the year 2000. Year 2000 to 2025. I'm not sure say you go don reach 30. So I believe say now the person is supposed to be under 25 years. Now 25 minus 30 minus 25 give us 5 years left. I hope so una dey understand me. We'll go check our console for wetin we do. Now wetin our console give us say my friend Ikechukwu is 25 years old. He have 5 years left before he can be able to purchase a car. My brothers and sisters in programming, we don't see how programming they go. Say programming na one easy thing. Programming only dey easy for people may believe say me get am for mind say e dey easy. If you dey put am for mind say e dey hard, you go dey look more harder. This na the only YouTube channel wey go break programming down to pieces for you. For people wey dey watch this video, if you get your junior ones wey dey inspire to become programmer, make una bring them come this channel. And those people wey dey send me DM because say una know me before, and they talk say Kennedy, I don subscribe to your channel. Make sure say you keep me inside the 50 people make una wan give job. My brothers and sisters, no be like so you dey work. We go test you before we give you work. Like that last assignment make I give una, I fit no do the answer for this video tutorial. Yes, I don't give una the question. I want see people make they follow me. Now, when we finish the tutorial, this tutorial is very long. We just did JavaScript. After JavaScript, we will teach you front end programming. We will teach you React. We will follow teach you back end. But we not talk say make you sabi both front end and back end. But wetin we dey talk be say you go sabi one, and if you sabi one, you go sabi am well because we don't try all our best to break down programming for una. Programming with this tutorial, if you follow this tutorial back to back, you will see say programming is supposed to be easy for you. Now we'll go back to our code. I want to show you something. You see this here, make I declare for here. I want print them outside this if else statement. After this blocks, this if else block, I want print them outside. I want to say console.log Put one log to our console. One log here left. We'll close our statement now. Let's see why. I think guess why we'll get error. You see, I will explain this one for you. If else statements, in short, almost if it not be all the program constructs we get they stingy. Any variable may wanna declare inside program structure when the program constructs, you know they work aside. You know they work outside that structure. Now only within the structure now it is available. I don't know whether when they get what I mean. Now waiting make we will they get error because this year left now only within this place now computer face any other place computer no face. But to show you now say waiting at the top they correct. Now make I declare this thing for here. The one may you declare aside go still work inside program structure, but the one may you declare for program structure no go work aside. And we could go check our code. Now say it work for program structure. Now the 5 years be this, and the one more as we declare am outside it work. So my brothers and sisters in programming, I want make una put them in mind say all the program constructs. I mean all the program constructs like for loop and the rest, they did very stingy. If you declare variable inside them, that variable may you declare inside them, you know if you use them outside them. Except you declare variable outside them, if you can't use the variable inside them and still use that variable outside them and your business, but the one you declare inside them, you know they use them outside them. Now only within them they use them. My people, I want to go back to my illustration. We get waiting I want to show now for programming. This course I be give now every single details for programming. I don't want to miss anyone. I don't want to jump anyone. Now you get two things I want to show you for that our old illustration. You get two people made on the I do. And they always talk say I will come back, I will come tell you now within their function day. I tell you I say they get their own particular work needed to do. But I will come back later. And they always talk say I will come back later. But this time around, I mean I really won't come back later. It can't be like say I don't lose our illustration. Hope say una go forgive me like this. Abeg make una chillax. My people, make una no vex. Say I delay una little. Now, you see these two people when they na the work I wan tell you now, because I wan explain wetin dem dey do for programming. All this little explanation make I suppose fit skip, but my mind no go gree skip am, because as a long run una go dey code, una come dey get one kind error, una come dey know say where the error come from, because una code look so correct. Now, if I wan come outside, na me be this. If I wan come outside from this store, person need to come check my name. Like this, I fit use this man. This man fit come check my name. But if he come check, if he look my tag, come go check my name, come see say e be another name carry that, another tag, another variable inside all these box carry the same name. So you get, I just talk say either any of these box carry the same name. And now this one they will come call, say okay, come check whether, come check another, come check inside, come check deep whether this name na this person name, whether this name na this person surname. Time make this box enter, and time make, you know, that kind of thing. To come do more investigation, strictly investigation, so they no go carry another person bag give another person. So you get. Now when we come to our code, get wetin I wan show you. Get wetin I go like show you. For JavaScript, if I say let's I wan check whether we don't use X. Yes, X equal to 18. You see that 18, I can't put that 18 inside string. I can't say make, I won't come check for that 18, because I can't talk say if open my bracket 18 equal to X, console dot log wetin log is equal. So if una remember, I tell una say anything we put for string, na character, no be number. But this one come dey for string, we come use 2 equal to check. Now this is not supposed to tell us say e dey equal to, but e go tell us say e go work. We will check am. You say e work, it say it is equal to. You see, anytime you use 2 equal to, they call am lose equality operator. This 2 equal to lose equality operator means say e get ojoro inside. You know, they check deep. Now e go help you come that 18. E no go look deep. E go just help you. E don help you convert that 18 to number. Come check. You see. Now, if I come put 3 equal to, this one now they call am straight equality operator. This one will check the data type and everything. You see, check this one now. Go tell computer say the thing fit resemble 18, but look that string. That string make am character. So you know if you compare character with number, you will see say our answer will disappear. Now this thing no go work because then na false. And remember say I tell una say we dey use if the check wetin be true. So as it no be true, so it no go answer us. Now say the answer come out. Like say you know they equal to again. So the matter be, if you use 2 equal to, the thing will just help you soften your work. For example, you collect value from somebody, from your user. Your user can key in value. That value is a character. In key. I think key character. Your computer can dey see am. Your computer can go dey do addition with the character instead of writing them out like character. You see. So mostly they preferable say make we dey do our quality check like this instead of using 2 string, because 2 string go only bypass the data type for you. So now all may I fit teach you now about if else statement with that. I beg, I would like make una take a moment, practice this if else statements. Make una also do little research, because research is very important for programming. Make una do a little research on our own. You see, this program construct we get if else, but we get if we use if 2 times for this construct. If we use if, else if, that if they check for true, else if they check for true, else if they check. So far if don't dey there. Now the last one will be else, then they always check for false. If you use on else, I want make una take small time, make una borrow me small time, go do una own personal research on if else. I will cut this video for here because of time. I hope to see una for the next video tutorial where I will teach you now for loop program construct. Thank you for watching. I hope you make una share this video and make una invite more people. Have a blessed day.